Okay, welcome back. You're with us here on Bazaar Morning Call. There's 9 minutes to go for the pre-open session. Sudarshan Sukhani and Mitessh Thakkar are with us with some trading setups and trades. Gentlemen, good morning. Good to have both of you here. Thanks very much. A good, decent bounce yesterday. Sudarshan, how are things set up? What would you do? SGX is indicating a small higher start.
Good morning, Prashant. Well, yesterday we had suggested in the morning to go long, and luckily that worked out. I had also said to keep trades intraday. So traders should have taken profits, and we are now starting afresh. The small gap up tells us that the relief rally that started yesterday is continuing at least in the morning. So I would be a buyer, but again keep the trades intraday and buy only on a dip. This time I don't have to go and buy at the open, unlike yesterday. I wait patiently for some small dip which brings us back to yesterday's closing price. Consider buying there, keep a 75-point stop loss, and then see where we go. So the buying opportunity still exists in the Nifty. It's more so in the Bank Nifty, which outperformed yesterday. So the Bank Nifty probably is a easier buying opportunity, but both have to be bought on dips.
Okay, Mitessh Thakkar is also with us. Mitessh, do you think this pullback rally can extend itself? If yes, what are the levels that you're looking at and what's the order of the day?
Good morning. I think it can, and but I think this still remains a pullback rally to me. So one, I think 18,060 was the level which we had indicated yesterday. Above that, I think the best what I think the rally can do is possibly close to about 18,200, 230 zones. I think around that you will see a lot of moving averages which are converging, provide significant supply. So I think this rally can definitely extend because we are still coming out of the oversold levels on hourly and 2-hourly charts. But getting beyond 18,200, 230 might be a very difficult task. So another 200 points could definitely happen, but I think that should be it in the short term.
Let's then drill it down to individual stocks. So Darshan, you said that the Nifty Bank is a better trade. So are you looking at some stocks in the banking space as well?
No, since we are buying the Bank Nifty itself, that probably covers the large caps. But yes, I am. But before that, I'll start with BEL, where a significant correction has taken place. BEL has a good story going behind it, although obviously for an intraday trader, it doesn't really matter. But still consider buying BEL with a stop under 94. Dr. Reddy's is my only intraday short. This stock has been underperforming the pharma sector. Intraday short with a stop over 43.47. Bharat Forge is a stock that has outperformed. It's not given us the same correction that the other market participants have done. That's good news. So Bharat Forge is a buy with a stop under 833. And to answer your question, yes, HDFC Bank is a buy. And that's an opportunity. HDFC is remarkable. It's been in a narrow trading range for almost 1.5 months. Not done anything on the downside. Buy with a stop under 1590.
Okay, Mitessh, what about you?
I have a mix of buys and sells, more on the buy side today because I believe that this pullback could yet extend. So REC is on my list. Buy here with a stop at 111 for targets of 120. HDFC Bank is a buy with a stop at 1615 for targets of around 1660. And Usha Martin, a stock which I recommended yesterday but made a very good breakout on the weekly charts with the triangle pattern breaking out and the stock hitting new highs. Usha Martin is a buy with a stop at 160 for targets of 188. And one sell call, that's Dr. Reddy's. Keep a stop above 4,300. Look for targets of 4140.
Okay, thanks for that. Let's take a quick break. On the other side, we'll have the pre-opening rates. We'll also have Prem Kishan Gupta of Gateway Distriparks to discuss their acquisition of Kashipur Infra and Freight